Hello guys, I believe you're all doing very fine. So today I want us to discuss on the danger signs post delivery. What are these danger signs? So I'll give you 9 danger signs post delivery. Number 1 is severe headache that does not disappear. Anytime you have severe headache that does not disappear, it could mean that there is an underlying problem. It could mean probably the pressure is high, you have developed preeclampsia, or there is an infection, or there is something that is going on that needs to be checked urgently. The other sign is if you have fevers that comes with chills. This is not a good sign. The other sign, which is now the third sign I will give you, is if you have severe abdominal pain or you have severe pelvic pain. This is a danger sign post delivery. The other sign is if you have an incision, probably from a cesarean section, or you have a wound at the perineal region. Maybe during delivery, they had to cut a part of you so that the baby could come out. Now, if this wound or this incision, it is red in color, or it is oozing, or it is opening, it is a danger sign. So that is a sign that you need to go to the hospital. The other sign, which could also be very dangerous, is if you have a smelly discharge coming out, what we call lochia. It is smelly. It is not a good sign. Brownish in color, it is not a good sign. So this discharge is brownish, it's smelly, and it is not a good sign. That is a danger sign. You need to go back to the hospital. The other sign is if you have large clots coming out, several clots following each other, that could mean actually you're still actively bleeding. It is also not a good sign. The other sign is if you have one of your legs is swelling, or it is warm, or it has become painful at the calf region. That is not a good sign. It could actually mean maybe we have what we call DVT developing. There is a possible clot that is preventing flow of blood, flow of fluids, and this could actually mean there is a problem that needs to be addressed urgently. So you have calf pain, and it is warm, probably, and it is even swollen, or one leg. That is not a good sign. So the other last sign which I'll give you is if you feel overwhelmed after delivery, you feel hopeless, you're discharged, that means you're not able to bond with the baby. That is also a very dangerous sign, and you need to be checked immediately, because it could mean that there is an underlying problem that is simply developing, and if not checked, it can actually cause a problem. Now, having mentioned the 9 danger signs post delivery, I believe you're going to check yourself, and you can go through the video again, look at those signs. If you have any of those signs, then I will advise you to go to the hospital. Go to the hospital and get checked. Do not assume, so that we don't develop a complication. Remember, what we are saying is that we want to ensure that you are safe during delivery, during pregnancy, and after delivery. We want to make sure that you're safe. So I believe I have taught you something. I believe that you have learned something. Be blessed, and please keep checking and keep learning more from our videos. Thank you very much.